When it comes to building the ultimate gaming rig, choosing the right processor is crucial. The best CPU for gaming delivers unmatched speed, smooth performance, and the power needed to handle the latest titles with ease and precision. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3. The AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3 is a high-performance processor that delivers a fine balance of speed, efficiency, and gaming prowess. Built on the advanced 5nm process technology, it provides excellent power efficiency while maintaining strong processing output. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU is designed for multitasking, making it suitable for gamers, streamers, and content creators who need smooth performance under heavy workloads. A key feature of this processor is its impressive cache configuration: 8 MB of L2 cache and 96 MB of L3 cache, which significantly improves responsiveness by allowing faster access to frequently used data. The processor runs at a base clock speed of 4.2 GHz, ensuring dependable task execution, while its graphics frequency of 2200 MHz adds to its capability with integrated AMD Radeon graphics. While most serious gamers will still prefer pairing this CPU with a dedicated GPU, the integrated graphics are a bonus for lighter workloads, casual gaming, and multimedia tasks. With a maximum operating temperature, TJ Max, of 89 degrees Celsius, the Ryzen 7 7800X3 offers stability and consistent thermal performance, though pairing it with a capable cooling system is advised to maximize potential.
Number 2. AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600X is an excellent mid-tier processor that balances affordability with solid performance, making it a smart choice for both gamers and everyday users. Based on 5nm process technology, it provides enhanced performance per watt, ensuring reliability and efficiency in day-to-day workloads. With 6 cores and 12 threads, this CPU is capable of handling a wide variety of tasks, from multitasking with multiple productivity applications to running modern games at high frame rates. Its 5.3 GHz clock speed is especially impressive, offering snappy responsiveness and reliable execution across both single-core and multi-core tasks. Cache performance is another highlight, with 6 MB of L2 and 32 MB of L3 cache. This configuration helps reduce data access latency, ensuring smoother performance whether gaming, streaming, or editing. The processor also integrates AMD Radeon graphics, providing baseline graphics capabilities. While a discrete GPU is recommended for high-end gaming or demanding creative workloads, the integrated graphics make the processor versatile enough to run light games and support multimedia tasks without additional hardware. One of the biggest advantages of the Ryzen 5 7600X is its support for the socket AM5 platform, which brings compatibility with the latest DDR5 and PCIe 5.0 technologies. This future-proofing ensures that buyers can upgrade their systems without worrying about outdated hardware limitations.
Number 3. AMD Ryzen 7 9700X. The AMD Ryzen 7 9700X is a next-generation processor designed to deliver outstanding gaming performance while excelling in professional workloads. Powered by AMD's Zen 5 architecture, this CPU packs 8 cores and 16 threads, making it capable of seamless multitasking and demanding workloads. With a 5.5 GHz max boost clock speed, it offers top-tier single-core performance, which is especially valuable in gaming scenarios where high clock speeds translate directly into higher frame rates. Gamers can expect 100+ FPS performance in many of today's most popular titles when paired with the right GPU. Its 40 MB cache is well balanced to handle both gaming and productivity workloads, ensuring reduced latency and faster access to critical data. The Ryzen 7 9700X also supports the socket AM5 platform, which provides compatibility with the latest DDR5 memory, up to 5600 MHz, and PCIe 5.0, making it a forward-looking choice for users who want to build a system that won't be obsolete anytime soon. The CPU is unlocked for overclocking, which will appeal to enthusiasts looking to squeeze every ounce of performance from their hardware, though a capable aftermarket cooler is recommended since no cooler is included.
Number 4. AMD Ryzen 9. The AMD Ryzen 9 processor, designed for the AM4 platform, offers strong performance for gamers and professionals who want to maximize the value of their existing setups. Despite being part of an earlier platform, it still provides plenty of power thanks to its 6 cores and 12 threads, making it more than capable of handling gaming, multitasking, and productivity software. With a 4.2 GHz max boost clock speed, the CPU ensures responsive performance, while its 19 MB cache supports efficient data retrieval for smoother execution of demanding tasks. Unlike many modern CPUs that ship without a cooler, this Ryzen 9 includes the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, adding value and convenience for users who prefer not to purchase an aftermarket solution. While it may not be ideal for heavy overclocking, it performs adequately under standard workloads. For gamers, the CPU can deliver 100+ FPS in popular titles when paired with a discrete graphics card, although it lacks integrated graphics, making a dedicated GPU a requirement. Another strength of this processor lies in its compatibility with DDR4 3200 memory and the highly accessible socket AM4 platform.
Number 5. AMD Ryzen 9. The AMD Ryzen 9 with 12 cores and 24 threads is a powerhouse processor designed for heavy multitasking, professional workloads, and high-end gaming. Built on the 5nm process technology, it offers excellent efficiency and performance per watt, ensuring long-term reliability. With a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz, it delivers fast execution across a wide range of applications, from gaming to video editing, 3D rendering, and software compiling. This makes it one of the most versatile CPUs available, bridging the gap between professional needs and enthusiast gaming. Cache performance is strong, with 12 MB of L2 cache and 64 MB of L3 cache, ensuring quick access to frequently used data. This reduces latency and allows for smoother performance across demanding workloads. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics controller adds value, providing usable graphics capabilities for those who may not have a dedicated GPU right away. While most users purchasing a Ryzen 9 will likely pair it with a high-end discrete graphics card, the built-in GPU ensures flexibility and convenience for everyday use. With its 12-core architecture, the Ryzen 9 excels at multitasking, making it an ideal solution for content creators, developers, and professionals who run multiple heavy applications simultaneously.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.